Welcome to the Hedgey Smart Contract Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. Hedgey is a free on-chain token vesting and investor lockup platform that projects use to distribute tokens to their team and investors, offering feature-complete dashboards for both issuers and recipients. Their mission is to democratize access to these essential tools for companies looking to move on-chain, regardless of their size or stage of development. Our auditors DefSec, Min Quanim, and X0F Unit have audited Hedgey core contract, delegated token claims, and vesting locks between May and June 2024. Let's have a look at the details. For the core contract, the results concluded with a 98% security score, 97% documentation quality, and 87% code quality. Here are the issues found. Batch creator and delegated claim campaigns are partially incompatible with bound lockup plans. If full compatibility is desired, it is recommended to implement a special case in the underscore before token transfer hook to allow the token transfer if the message sender or the owner of the token is batch creator or delegated claim campaign's contract. Transfer and delegate function will always revert. To fix this, alter the order of the calls, performing the delegation before transferring the token. Incompatibility with fee on transfer tokens. It is recommended to implement an emergency withdraw function in case tokens remain locked in the contract, similar to the emergency admin transfer feature from the token vesting plan's contract. The results of the delegated token claims audit are as follows: 99.2% security score, 97% documentation quality, and 87% code quality. The following issues have been detected. An attacker could use the delegation signature to delegate directly, causing a denial of service (DOS) for users attempting to claim. First, check if the delegates are pointed to the correct address. If they are, there's no need to call delegate by SIG. Rounding up allows users to claim faster than expected. Round down when calculating the rate. Claim multiple with SIG does not incorporate all claims into the signed hash. Incorporate all data into the signed hash. Functions create unlocked campaign and create locked campaign are vulnerable to DOS attacks by front-running to create spam campaigns with the same ID. Generate the ID on-chain instead of using it as an input. For instance, use a counter to generate the next campaign ID. Incompatibility with fee on transfer tokens. It is recommended to implement an emergency withdraw function in case tokens remain locked in the contract, similar to the emergency admin transfer feature from Token Vesting Plan's contract, using IARC 721. Transfer from instead of safe transfer from. Consider using safe transfer from instead of transfer from. The vesting locks checkup resulted in 100% security score, 97% documentation quality, and 95% code quality. Below are the issues identified. Underscore approved delegators planted isn't deleted when an ERC 721 token is transferred. When the ERC 721 token is transferred, delete or reset the underscore approved delegators planted through the underscore update function. Batch creator and delegated claim campaigns are partially incompatible with bound lockup plans. If full compatibility is desired, it is recommended to implement in special case an underscore before token transfer hook to allow the token transfer if the MSGA sender or the owner of the token is batch creator or delegated claim campaign's contract. Lack of two-step ownership transfer pattern. Implement a two-step role transfer in which change manager upgrades a proposed manager variable, and the transfer is not fully completed until proposed manager performs a call to claim manager. Incompatibility with fee on transfer tokens. It is recommended to implement an emergency withdraw function in case tokens remain locked in the contract, similar to the emergency admin transfer feature from Token Vesting Plan's contract. AuditOne has significantly improved the security of Hedgey smart contracts. Hedgey has resolved all issues identified by our auditing team. Learn more by reading our full report. For further details, visit our website or follow us on social media. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.